Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, November 1st, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course are included for only $30 per month. So, anyways, on the euro dollar monthly, I mean, we had this monthly candle close yesterday, and it definitely looks very bearish. I mean, it might make a pullback on sort of time phase, but it probably is more likely going to end up making five waves down, probably matching this 1, 2, 3 pattern like this before we actually do get a bigger push to the upside. So, taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, most likely this is going to end up doing something like this, like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and probably going down and retesting these lows. This is probably going to end up being like a big flat pattern or just a normal traditional ABC. One down, three up, and then one down. So anyways, let's take it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we did get a break of structure finally on this pair. Now the question is, which you can see a little better on the 4 hour time frame, is this a 1, 2, 3, and now this is a 4 that's going to go down, make a 5, and then reverse back up? Or is this the real break of structure that we've been waiting for? It looks like it definitely did break and hold above structure, so I am going to start looking for longs. Hopefully what happens is this stretches out into a big old ABC correction looking something like this over the next several weeks before it actually makes another big push to the downside, because that would give us some really good chances to go long, and it would give us a really nice opportunity to go short probably in a couple weeks. So let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, this red line right here is the US election. We only have a few trading days left until the US elections. I think there's going to be a lot of market volatility this year from the election. So definitely be aware. November 5th is a big day for the markets. But like I said, we do have a break of structure. So hopefully what happens is this move down right here ends up being a correction to this move up, and it makes three waves down, gives us a nice opportunity to go long for potentially like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave A of an ABC correction, like I showed you on the higher time frames. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. So like I said, we have that break of structure we've been waiting for. I think there's a pretty good chance that that does prove that A or 1 on the daily time frame to the downside is complete. Like I was saying, I mean, there is definitely a chance this could be a wave 4. There's definitely a chance it could go down again for a wave 5 and then make the real reversal to the upside maybe next week at the U.S. elections. But with this break of structure, I'm definitely keeping an eye out for a long. I got my Fibonacci retracement on the last impulsive move up. If this makes three waves down to any one of these Fibonacci levels and then makes like an engulfing move to the upside, I will definitely be taking it for a long. Hopefully what happens is this is a wave 1, this is a wave 2, and this goes up for a wave 3, probably a 1, 2, 3 of wave A of an ABC correction on the much higher time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.